Alright, how you doing? Mambo vipi? Mambo shwari, mambo kali. I've just disappeared for a bit. Naenda kutafuta breakfast. Na unajua umse, hii mwili haijengwi na mbao. Inajengwa na maankoli, mapocha na mazagazaga na chungu cha jikoni. Ndio tunaenda jikoni saizai. So follow me, we get to find out what the chef is preparing, what kind of breakfast, and we are so hungry. What kind of breakfast we're having today. Way back Wednesday, Kubamba Radio, www.kubamba.com. You can go on social media, you'll find this breakfast, my friend. Hakuna mchezo. Nakwambia sana. I'm here at the kitchen. Let me tell you, this place, the arrangement. Look at the dining. It's awesome. Come. Look, they've separated it. We have chilies, we have onions, diced tomatoes, we have cheese, we have pepper, then we have mushrooms. I don't know where the mushrooms are yet, but you know what? This looks fantastic. Look at that kitchen, it's amazing. When we talk about clean kitchen, this is what we're talking about. And you see where your food is made from. It's amazing. I can't wait to have breakfast. My brother chef, so sweeter, amefika mwenyewe. How you doing, my brother?
Good man.
Uko salama?
Salama.
Hao ni wasanii wa jamaa wanakuona hapo kutoka nyumbani? Yes. Tuko hapa Jacaranda Indian Ocean Beach Resort. Diani, chef so sweeter ndio huyu hapa.
In the house.
This is the guy that's going to sort us out for breakfast. Vinoma sana. How you doing, man?
Good man.
Today I don't know why I'm feeling kind of continental like this.
Yes.
But I want you to explain to me what continental actually means.
Continental is, let's go on that side then.
Let's go on that side?
Let's do things practically.
Alright,
yeah.
Alright.
Seeing is believing.
Yes.
Yes. So, basically,
yes,
when you go continental,
yes,
you don't go like the hot food like this. It will be more like health things.
Oh, health.
You have your cold cuts and your fruits. You don't go like the whole things like you don't want to like.
Don't want me like me. Fantastic.
Yeah.
I'm already changing my mind, but let's continue.
Yes. So we've got cheese here.
Okay.
Cheese there, you have the food there. You got cold cuts there. You got the salads there.
All right.
Yeah. And then you got the fruits there.
Okay.
Forget. You got all those juices there.
The juices.
The salad there.
All right.
You just get and take as good there.
Yes.
What happened there.
Okay, let's go see the juices.
Is it?
I'm a fan of juice. Yes. And especially the passion juice.
There it is.
All right.
So, what we do it?
Yes.
We got 4 different kind of juices.
Yes.
You got orange, that's mango, tropical, and your
my favorite.
Yes. We got water. We got our own house-made tamarind juice.
Oh, ukwaju.
Exactly. There you go. Talk about it.
This is the one.
Yes.
This is the one.
That's
Today
the
I
one,
must try it. Yes.
Yes. So that is it.
And of course, some chilled milk over here.
And we have skimmed milk.
What is
the healthy?
Oh, skimmed milk.
Yes. Not full fat. Skimmed milk.
Oh, fat that have reduced fat.
Yes. Then you've got, of course, the yogurts. You're going to you take the natural ones. Have here. But anyway, basically, then we've got a cereals here. See? Yes. Of course, what you can do with the cereals, you got that milk. If you want to go more healthier, you get that one. You get some honey. You get some yogurt. Mix it. Make what you call some butcher muesli, which we'll do that later with you.
All right.
Then we've got a pepper rice.
Oh, of course, pastries.
The pastries.
There we go. What kind of bread is this?
Yeah.
Oh my! Look at that. Yeah. Look at that.
There we go.
Looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, this is amazing. All right, chef.
Yeah.
So today I changed my mind. We're not going to do continental because you told me continental is healthy, and I'm here on holiday to enjoy.
Oh no.
I want to enjoy myself.
Yes.
So you will help us. I just want to make my order right about now. So you surprise me. We'll come back.
Yes.
Surprise me with breakfast. Prepare for me the best. Just plate it, and then we'll be back in just a few to see the plating and of course to talk about the breakfast in itself.
That's about it, sir.
Fantastic. This is Chef Sospita himself at the Jacaranda Indian Ocean Beach Resort, Tuko hapa. We're going back to Tina on the other side to host the breakfast show, and I'll be giving you breakfast. I'll be giving you story punch. You can't afford to miss this.